Well, it's round 3 against the RI Blizzard of 2026. I was out here 2 times yesterday, but what you're seeing in front of me is about a 15-foot snowbank. You see, my driveway ends just a little bit in front of where my snowblower is. And that's how narrow they plowed the road. The road really is only like a one car at a time can pass. The road was cleared just for police, fire, and rescue. And yet I see people driving down my street. There's still a travel ban in effect in Rhode Island. And most places are closed. I don't know what these people are doing on the road.